Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 13, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column B and 7th row we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come here one of these cells. Column C we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row and 6th row we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 8. Column I, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. 4th grid, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come here one of these cells. It will confirm later. 7th grid, we have 3, 5, 6, 7. That 4 numbers can't come in the 2 cells. It will come here one of the 4 cells. We confirm later. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come here one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. It will come here one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 6, 7. It will come here one of these cells. We confirm later. 4th row, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come here one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column A, column J, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row and 3rd row, column F we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, column F, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 2nd row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column H, column J we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. 5th row, 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 3rd grid we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grid, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column H we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 7th row, column H we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 10th row and 2nd grid we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. Column J we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grid, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then the column of 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 4th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grid, 10th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 5th grid, 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 2nd grid, 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.